Hey guys, I'm Jameson with Rogue Engineer, and today on this part of our cabinet series, I'm going to be showing you how we built this 27-inch wide sink cabinet. What I'm gonna do now is, before I actually assemble them, I'm gonna paint the edges. You can lay them all up like this so they're nice and flat. It's easy to paint. You won't get too much excess on the actual face of the wood, but if you do, it's not a big deal because it's the pre-finished plywood, so you can just scrape it right off with a razor. So here we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for more details on how we installed the hinges, how we sprayed the doors, how we installed the hardware, from end panels to crown molding, this is part of a much bigger cabinet series. I will link up to all those videos directly below. As always, until next time, be safe and happy building.